Right, if you wanted to take data from Excel and put it into MS Word and use MS Word as your data repository, that's fine. So let's open that one in Excel, and you wanted to copy the email addresses like those into Microsoft Word. Control C, that would be a copy. You would then simply Control V or paste into Word, and copying that and putting that into BCC would be good enough. Okay, that would be fine. All right. So you would then save that file as, so you would call it data. Let me put it into there. You would call it something like technical report writing for digits. Okay, 1 or whatever. Okay, there we go. And that would save that file over there.